Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. So we want to start the video with a snippet from a video that we made here on the 3rd of February and to just listen briefly to what I said on the 3rd of February. Let me just adjust the sound here. For the wave C. I think the ideal level for that would actually be here below 88 cents. You know, 88 cents, that is one of the key fib levels here. That is the 0.786 fib level, all the way down to 53 cents. That's the 0.887 fib level. I admit it would be quite a lot of a drop, but from where we were here at the high at 340, I mean, it's already dropped quite significantly, and it is very late with its correction, where other cryptos have already seen such a drop, like for example VeChain. Fantom still has to do that, in my opinion, yeah. And overall, what we also can see here in terms of the Elliott wave count, I would say here within this wave C that we're currently doing, we probably have seen here already a wave 1. We're 1, 2, yeah. We have also seen the low of the wave 3 here as we hit the trend line here, and possibly also the wave 4 already finished, or we are still in the wave 4, yeah. And as soon as the wave 4 is complete, we might go down in the wave 5. Yeah, that could then really take us down here. Would be in this case probably quite a long wave, that wave 5. There you go. Yeah, this is the weekly chart. Let's take a look on the daily. It was quite a long wave, yeah, but in the end it played out. We've come exactly to this 87 cent level, and it just shows how long such a correction can take. There was, and I'm not going to show those comments from back then, but it's quite funny sometimes to read through old comments as well, when people say, right, that level will never happen, that level will never happen. And someone said that the 54 cent level, which is the 88.7% fib level, will never happen. Now, to be honest, I hope it will hold. I'm really considering that, because what makes me think that is that, yeah, Fantom is dropping further. It's great to get to that perfect level, and that is the ideal retracement level here for a wave 2. That's all fine, you know, because we can see all of that here as a wave 1. We can see all of that as a wave 2 consisting of an ABC. It was pretty obvious up here. Of course, you never know, but that is a reason why throughout this whole period I remained very consistent, and yeah, did not even show you an alternative scenario here for Fantom, because it was, yeah, quite clear actually that the chart will have to do that, you know, sooner or later. And we're now coming down very quickly, and we are already at this 87 cent level. Bitcoin, though, I still expect to do a 35% drop, you know. And what do we do now with Fantom? What do we do with a cryptocurrency that has come down to the 87 cent level, the 78.6% fib level? Yeah, 37% drop still on the table here, but is that enough to buffer off a Bitcoin 35% drop? That is what we need to see and what the market needs to tell us. So at the moment, the risk isn't over. We are here in a clear downtrend, and we can even probably draw here a descending trend line in some way that, you know, in any sort of correction to the upside, we are probably going to see as a resistance, yeah. So that is something that we need to be aware of, because we've got here now 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. So that will pretty sure that will become resistance along the way here, because there will have to be another move up in any way, because we are now getting really close to being oversold. So the MACD is still pushing down on the daily here, but the RSI is now oversold. And I had a few questions. I saw it in the Telegram chat today. Didn't really have time to answer, but I saw it and wanted to really make you aware in this video that there was a question: is now any cryptocurrency on the daily oversold? And yes, it is, and this is Fantom. Yeah, it is quite strongly oversold now. Well, not strongly, but it's just getting into the oversold area here on the daily. It is now at 28, where you can see that it hasn't really very often been oversold. Usually it found support at the 30 level, and therefore together here with the 88 cent level, I do expect resistance, support, and would expect the price to move up from here. And it can happen quickly. I let you know now, it can happen quickly, and we could get from here fairly quickly back to the $1.14 level. The reason I say that is that I do expect short term, as you probably know from my Bitcoin videos, a move to the upside, a corrective move up for Bitcoin. And that could also then very quickly, given how oversold Fantom now is, that could give Fantom very quickly some sort of move to the upside here. And that would, from here, let's say we really get to the 115 level, that'd be a nice 30% or 28% upside. I do expect support here, absolutely. I mean, if it just goes through 87 cents, then I'm nearly losing all my hope here for Fantom, because it's already oversold. And if it doesn't find support here at this level here, which is an important fib level, then I don't know, then it will go down straight away, probably here to that key level at 54 cents. But what do we do now? Because then there isn't much more room for much lower levels. Okay, so this is really the 88.7 is very, very important support. You can see it with the volume here as well. This is where all the volume is. Yeah. Here you see more volume come in as well. Historical volume support, but down here is really the key. If you then go down further, we talk about 25 cents. I mean, I won't rule out anything here, because we are coming down very low at the moment, yeah. But there is a lot of room here, or a lot of historical volume starting at that 54 cent level. So that is something that I think is certainly something that we need to think about, that this will be very realistic, 54 cents, and I hope it will hold. But short term, I would expect some upside now, because we now oversold. It is a potential long opportunity. Not telling you to buy. Yeah, we don't have confirmation yet. Certainly red candle. Without having a little bit of an upside confirmation here, I wouldn't go long here. But what is certainly interesting is if there is some sort of a bullish candle or something, because that could change the momentum and help Fantom to move back up. At the moment, we're not quite there yet at that 87 cent level. Still need 1 or 2 cents to go down, but I would consider that level to be reached anyway. You know, within the volatility and the accuracy of the market, that makes sense. And then in a move up, we could really go all the way to the next, to the next high on that swing low of the wave A, and this is where the target area started. This is also where we had previously support, and that is a level that I'd have on the radar here for the next move to the upside. So let's take a look here on the 4-hour chart maybe before we finish the video. Also here still MACD in the red. Yeah, so nothing turning around yet. Stochastic RSI going down. RSI also oversold. So here also I would expect here turnaround. But again, we don't yet have a bullish confirmation, and we are technically still in a downtrend. So be careful about that, yeah. Be careful. See a bit of a bullish divergence here going on currently on the 4-hour RSI. That is something potentially interesting that could already tell us that yes, we might see a reversal here soon. But yeah, I'd be surprised if we don't find any support here at 87 cents. Okay, and that is my view here about Fantom. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, check out the channel membership, and maybe also consider my trading course that I'm currently publishing and working on. It's currently in a pre-sale. Whatever video I have finished, I am uploading to my website, and the website link you can find in the description. And there's a 15% discount for channel members, and every week there is a new chapter, and there will be 15 chapters. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.